First, take a look at this channel. It has 6.91 million subscribers and it is also monetized. You can see that it earns around $5,000 to $8,000 per month. It is a very good channel. Now look at another channel. It has 78,000 subscribers and it is also monetized. Its monthly income is around $938. You can see how they upload animal videos. We will also create exactly the same type of videos. These are animal videos and you can see that they are getting millions of views. This is also a very good channel. You can clearly observe how animal videos are trending these days. We will also create the same type of videos and you can make them 100% free using free tools. So watch the complete video, like it, and also comment if you have any questions about how these videos are made. I will guide you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's start and learn how we can create high-quality animal videos like these. First, go to the prompt section in my YouTube comments or description and download the prompts. Then copy them. After that, open ChatGPT and paste the prompts there. Once you've pasted them, just write, "Look at these prompts and give me 5 best ideas." ChatGPT will analyze the prompts and generate the best ideas according to your needs. If you don't like the options or feel confused about which one to choose, you can simply type a number, for example, 4. And it will give you more details, including the full story of that specific idea. For the second method, I will provide 2-3 more prompts. You just need to copy and paste them as well. I will also add these prompts in the video description. After pasting, after a short time, you'll see that ChatGPT will generate stories and prompts for you. Sometimes it may also give you multiple prompt options to choose from. I save those prompts. Once saved, you have 2 options to create images. You can use Leonardo AI or another website like Piclumen. First, go to Leonardo AI and paste your prompts there. Set the size, for example 9:16 as explained in previous videos, then generate the images. You can check the result. Result is very good. Alternatively, open Piclumen, copy your prompts and paste them one by one. As soon as you paste them, the images will be generated. You can see how amazing the results are. The prompt output is very high quality. This way, all your images will be ready and you can use them to create your video. Now, the next free website is called Slop.club. On this platform, you can create both images and videos. It's a very powerful and useful website. First, I'll show you how to create images. Open the website and use it for free. Once it's open, go to the prompt section at the bottom. Here, you need to select the Grok image option. This is important, so don't forget it. After selecting Grok image, simply copy your prompt and paste it there. You'll see many options available. You can choose any style you like. Once you paste the prompt, the image will start generating. If you don't see where the image is saved, just click on your profile. There, you'll find your generated images. As you can see, the results are very high quality. You can continue pasting your prompts one by one, and your images will keep generating. The results are really impressive and professional. Now, the most important part is how to create videos for free using this tool. Please watch carefully and follow the next instructions step by step. After that, we will create a video on this website. To make a video, open the website again and select your email to log in. Once you're logged in, upload the image you created. After uploading the image, select the model, Turbo, or available version like 2.2 if free. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Now, paste your prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. As soon as you click, the video will start generating. You'll notice there are many tools available for video creation. It depends on you which one you prefer. Some features may be paid, but versions like WAN 2.2 Turbo are available for free. Within a short time, your first video will be ready. In the same way, upload another image, paste the prompt, and generate the video. You can repeat this process for multiple images. After a few moments, all your videos will be ready and you can easily download them. The results are very impressive and high quality. Now, before moving to the next website where you can also create AI videos for free, I'll first show you how to generate AI voice. This will help you add narration, like explaining what animals are doing in the video. After that, I'll introduce another free website for creating AI videos. For voice generation, I recommend this website called Unlimited AI Tool because it is completely free. You can generate videos and AI voices daily and even create 10 to 15 minutes of content without any cost. That's why I personally use it, and you can use it too. All you need to do is open the website and paste your script or prompt into the input box, depending on what kind of voice you want. After that, select a voice style of your choice. For example, I usually select Valley Voice because it sounds very natural and works great for storytelling or motivational content. Once you select the voice, click on Generate Voice and it will start creating your audio. The best part is that you don't even need to log in with your email. It works directly. Within a few moments, your AI voice will be ready. It also provides daily credits, so you can generate voiceovers for free every day. The quality is really good. The second website, called Digen.ai, is an amazing and powerful platform. It gives you 300 credits initially, which you can use to create around 10 videos. After that, it continues to provide daily credits, allowing you to easily create AI videos. As you can see, I currently have over 800 credits because I've been logging into this account for a long time. This means I can create a large number of videos thanks to the accumulated credits. If you want to create more AI videos, Digen.ai is a great choice for you. One of its best benefits is that even if you don't use it regularly, it still automatically adds daily credits to your account, just like it has been doing with mine. Now we will create AI videos on this platform. It is a very good and easy to use website. First, click on Create. Then go to the Upload option and upload your first image. After that, copy and paste your first prompt, the one for image 1, and click on Generate. Your video will start creating. Then, upload the second image in the same way, paste its prompt, and click Generate again. The video will start rendering. The process may take a little time, but you can create 2 videos at the same time on this platform. Usually, it takes around 10 to 15 minutes for a video to be generated. Finally, I will use CapCut to edit the video. CapCut is a very good video editing software. It's easy to use, free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions, perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I will import my video, apply effects, add music, and complete the editing. Now my video is ready, as you can see. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to the video, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I'll bring another method for you. Thanks again for watching.